Put your finger at the starting point. Your starting point should be angle A. Find the measure of angle A. That's what it says. So I would highlight that. Let's label what we have, class. Always, always, always go in this order. Class, going across is called the opposite. Going across the right angle is the hypotenuse. And the other side is called the adjacent. Partner A, tell partner B which trig ratio are we going to use and why. Class, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. So sine, this is the opposite over the hypotenuse. I don't need adjacent, so I can cross off everything that has an A in it. Let's go ahead and write our sine is of an angle. Our angle is A equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Couple of geometry notes. Capital letters are angles, and the trig function is always next to an angle. And then I have sine of A equals the opposite side is 18, and the hypotenuse is equal to what? 27. If I need to solve for A, class, what do? We switch them. Circle it. Show the arrows. Class, in order to switch them or take the inverse, you have to write -1. So we just practiced this part, right? Sine, inverse of sine of 18 over 27. So you don't even need to simplify the fraction. It does it for you in the calculator. Let's punch that into our calculators. So label, find our trig, and then we're going to get a calculator ready equation, which is right here. Calc ready equation, and then our answer. Inverse of sine, so I press the second button and then the sine button. So that's what I pressed right there. And then 18 divided by 27 tells us to round to the nearest tenth, so that is approximately 41.8 degrees. So our answer is A is approximately 41.8 degrees.